Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we coloring capital letter alphabets. Yellow color. The next one is black color. Blue color. Brown color. Kids, the next one is green color. And the last one is red color. Now we draw and coloring capital letter alphabets. First we draw A, the letter of A. And now we use yellow color. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. Now we draw B. The next one is C. C for cat. Kids, now we draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. Now we draw E. The next one is F. Black color. Now we draw F. F for fish, F for fan. Now we draw G. G for God. The next one is H. H for hand. Now we draw I. I for ice cream. Kids, now we draw J. J for jackfruit. And the next one is K. K for kite. Now we use blue color and draw K. K for kite. The next one is L. L for lion. And now we draw M. M for moon. The next one is N. N for nose. Kids, now we draw N. And the next one is O. O for orange. And now we draw P. P for penguin. The next one is Q. Now we use brown color. Brown color. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. The next one is R. R for rose. Kids, the next one is S. S for sun. Now we draw T. T for tiger. The next one is U, and now we use green color. Green color. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. And now we draw W. W for wolf. The next one is X. Now we use red color. Now we use red color and draw X. X for X-ray. The next one is Y. Y for yolk. And the last one is Z. Z for zoo. Now we draw Z. Kids, today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.